Uh, Today, I want to look at solid shapes. I want to look at solid shapes. So with me here is a sector as the solid shapes. On sector, we must know that a sector is part of a circle. So this side and this side are equal, but it's a radius. That one's a radius. So now let us look at this. Here we will be asked to find area. You will be asked to find its perimeter. They can also ask you to find area of the chord, which means the shaded what region. You can also be asked to find length of arc. You can also be asked to find area of a triangle. You can also be asked to find area of a triangle, right? So I'm going to outline some formulas here, right? Area of a sector, area of sector. How do you find area of a sector? We find it by saying theta over 360 pi r squared. So we say this angle at the theta over 360 because a circle, a complete revolution is 360 what? Degrees. So that's the first formula. We are going for the second formula, which means length of arc, length of arc, which means theta over 360 pi d, or theta over 360 pi uh, 2 pi what r is one and the same thing. Pi d represents diameter, 2 pi r represents two radiuses. So the answer will be the same answer. Right, let us look at area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. In this case, here we use the universal area, which we say is half a b sine theta, right? Where a and b are the two sides sandwiching the angle. So this can be your a, this can be your b, or this can be your b, and this can be your a, right? Let us go down a little bit. For a triangle, we have it. Uh, Area of a chord, right? How do you find area of uh, area of a chord? Area of a chord is calculated. You is calculated using the formula. Is calculated using the formula, uh, or using this format. Uh, Area of sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle, minus area of triangle, right? So we know we have the area of sector, we have got the area of triangle, the formulas, which means we are saying theta over 360 pi r squared minus half a b sine theta, half a b sine theta. So I'm giving these subdivisions to separate each and every sector, right? We also need to find shortest distance, but I'm not going to take it to consideration right now. We want to go down into examples. I want to dive deep pause. Right, we have a sector here as our example. As our example. As our example. And here we are asked to find number one, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. So here with this example, and we're asked to find area of a triangle. Right, solutions. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. The formula is half A B sine theta, right? In this case, our A is 8 and our B is also 8 because these are two radiuses, which means they are equal sides, right? So we are saying half of 8. Our B is 8 sine 60. So we are saying half times 8 times 8, 64 times sine 60, right? Which is equal to 0.5 times 64 times sine 60. We can use a calculator. We get 27.7 square centimeters, right? That is the area of the triangle. Let's go to the area of a sector. Area of sector is equal to the formula for calculating area of a sector, theta over 360 pi r squared. And our theta in this case is the angle given, 60 over 360 times the given pi, 22 over 7, 22 over 7 times our radius is 8 squared, right? Which is equal to 16 to 61 into 36, 6. Okay. Times 22 over 7 times 64, 8 times 2, 8 to the power 2 is 64, right? So I want to use a calculator in a simple way. You open bracket, on your calculator open bracket, 1 times 22 times 64, close bracket, divided by 6 times 7. We get the answer on the calculator, and the answer will be 33.5. The answer will be 33.5 square centimeters. This will be the answer for the area of the sector. So remember, you need to cross check. Sector is bigger than triangle, so the area for a triangle must be less than the area of the sector. So in this case, let us try to check 27 area of triangle, 33 area of a sector, then that's fine. Let's go to C, which means we are finding length, length of arc, length of arc, length of arc. How do you find the length of arc? We said the formula theta over 360, theta over 360, 360 pi d, because we want to talk of the length of the circumference. So we say pi d, pi d. So in this case, our theta is 60 over 360 times pi is 22 over 7 times d is 8 plus 8, because diameter is equal to 2 radius, right? So 8 times 2 is 16, right, in this case. So 60 into 61 into 366 times 22 over 7 times 16. Employ the same what? The same measure, right? Here we say 1, open bracket, 1 times 22 times 16, close bracket, divided by open bracket 6 times 7. Answer, our answer will be 8.38, 8.38 centimeters. So that's it.